everybody, it's me, the girl with the blue hair, also known as Toxic Waste Baby, but everybody knows me by my hair, and that's the whole topic of the video today. So, I'll be showing you how I use my Zuvi ColorBox. This thing is so cool. It's so cool, I love it, I love it. I will be showing you how I got this hair color. Can you believe that this was made with a printer? Kind of crazy. Now that I showed you what I use, you're probably wondering, how to use it? Well, I'll pass you over to past me. Thank you, future me. So today I'm going to show you how I got this color with the Zuvi ColorBox. Today's color inspo is from Coraline. Here is the super cool machine. It comes with extra cartridges, extra bases, a container, a stirring stick, everything. So all you need is all in one box. This is how you open it, and you would put the cartridges up here. It will show you everything, including like what the different lights mean, everything like that. This is me putting in the cartridges. There will be arrows on the top showing you which ways, and you want them to click in place, and it has which colors will go where. This section is where you put the base. It'll show you how much is left in it, and it just clicks right into place, and you would close the little lid. Here's the container and the stirring stick and the bowl included. You want to make sure the bowl is steady so that the green light comes on. Onto the app, there's so many different ways you can do any color that you can think of. There's a color wheel, you can extract from a photo, you can get your history from past colors, you can favorite colors, all of it all in one. There's also a hair dye or conditioner setting. Here I'll be showing you the color cards. Every color you can think of, really, it's all there. So you can go through and check which colors you'd like, what kind of saturation you'd want, how light, how dark, everything. And it goes by color, all organized. You can pick which color base you have. Today I'll be using the extract from image section. I will be taking that picture of Coraline and dotting on her hair to get that exact color. It'll also show you here all the colors in the image. You can adjust from here of how saturated and everything. I picked this color. I thought that would best match it. If you scroll down, it gives you all the information you need of how it's going to fade, other colors, the conditioner, how to use, reviews from others. You would then hit to make it, and here you can adjust how much you would need depending on your length, your curl, your thickness, just how much you would think you need for your hair, it will suggest. Here I'm doing a little more than I think so I can save some for later. Next you'll hit make, and here you can either finish the palette, try a sample which will make a little bit of it, or hit to dispense. Here it's going to show you which color is being dispensed by that light. Here's a little ASMR of it printing up the color. Once you hear those 3 beeps, that means your color is all dispensed for you, and then you can move on to mixing. Here you'll see it uses 3 primary colors to make the color that you selected. Make sure for this part you mix it as well as possible, that way everything's incorporated together. Here's what I got and the consistency. Here's the base color I'll be starting with. For best results, you want to fully bleach or lighten your hair to make sure of a full coverage and brightness that you want. Section your hair for best results so that everything's covered. You're going to want to start from your ends and work your way to your roots to make sure everything is incorporated correctly and everything's covered. Once you put the color on, you want to make sure to rub it in, make sure everything is root to end and all covered. Don't ask me what my sectioning is here, I couldn't even tell you actually. Here is it all put in. I'll be waiting 30 to 40 minutes. Make sure to rinse with cold water. And here it is right after the shower and blow drying. Super bright, Super shiny. My hair felt amazing after this. Here I'm showing you with flash of how colorful and bright it is. And here it is in direct sunlight. It is super bright. Like, this was such an amazing blue I've got, and this is the closest to a Coraline blue I've ever got. And that's how I use my Zuvi ColorBox. Thank you so much for Zuvi for sending it to me. This thing was so cool to test out. I don't know if I'm ever gonna go back to any other hair dye. Like, is there a point of that? Like, I can literally make any color I want, just put it in this. Like, and plus you're saving product. You're not having to waste a bunch, like trying to, figure out a mixture that you want. You can literally just put it all in here, and it just works. And like, this is my hair about, I think, 2 washes in, and I've used the color like conditioner that you can make with the machine, and like it's still as bright as it was when I first put it in, and like I had no problems with staining, bleeding, nothing like that. Like, I rinsed it until the water was clear, and it's been like this ever since. I am really like loving this. So if you want to check yours out, I will have it in the link in my bio, on my different social medias, everywhere. So if you want to get one of these for yourself, I got you. I will have a promo code and everything. And if you guys have any questions or, colors that you want to see, I'll be doing colors on my family, friends, stuff like that. So if you want to see other colors, let me know in the comments and I will show you. If you guys want a tutorial on how I upkeep this hair using the machine, I can also make a separate video on that that will show how I do the color conditioner, how long I set it in for, like the longevity of it and everything. So if you guys want like an update video on how it's lasting, definitely do that. Just leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.